Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes-Benz E550 and how to change the oil and the oil filter. The supplies today I'm going to be using is some Mobil 1 0W40. For the oil filter I'm using the MAN filter HU7185X, and you are also going to be needing some tools, some sockets, a jack, an oil filter cap wrench, and I am also going to be using some Lucas oil stabilizer. It's not required, but I recommend it as it prolongs the life of your engine. Now I'm going to safely jack up the car and remove the underbody covers. These are held by some bolts, 8mm and 10mm sizes. There are two separate pieces that are going to be coming off. Once the front one's off, then you're going to remove the back that is also held on by a few bolts. Once that's removed, the oil pan is right here, this big black pan, and there's the oil drain plug. And to remove that, you're going to be needing a 13mm socket. If your engine was running before changing the oil, please be careful before removing the drain plug as the oil is going to be very hot. Until the oil is draining, I'm going to open the hood and remove our oil filter housing. From the housing, remove your old oil filter and the 3 O-rings around it. Now that I have all that removed, I'm going to install the new O-rings, and a tip before installing the new O-rings, just lubricate them a bit with the old oil. The oil has completely stopped draining. I'm going to clean the surface a bit and reinstall my old drain plug. And now again, let's go underneath the hood and add our new oil. And before adding the oil, please check your manuals to see how much your car calls for. My car calls for 8.5 quarts, so I'm going to add 7.5 quarts of oil, and I'm going to add 1 quart of Lucas oil stabilizer. Now that I have my fluid added, I'm going to put everything back, close the hood, and start up the car and check the oil level. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy video on how to change your engine oil and your oil filter on your Mercedes-Benz E550. And if this video has helped you out, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.